Brian Tripp joined by Paul Calvinelli from Parksite. Paul, welcome.
Thank you for having me.
Well, we see a lot of great products in front of us, but first, can you tell us about Parksite?
Yeah, Parksite's an employee-owned company. We distribute primarily east of the Mississippi and then now into the Dakotas. About 350 employees, and we were started about 40 years ago.
Well, let's start off with the Azek Decking right here. What makes this product so great?
Azek is a Capped-Composite board. What is different from some of the other products out there, it's got PVC inside of it. There's no wood filler, if you will.
So for contractors, what's the finish on this? What are the colors available? I see a couple of new colors here. This one including Coastline. We also have the Weathered Tech color and the English Walnut color here in front of me.
Yeah, this season they have 3 new colors of Azek, and they're in the highest series, the Vintage series. Now you can get these boards in square-edged or grooved in Azek. 16s and 20s come grooved and square. 12s only come in grooved.
So for assembly, that makes it nice and easy?
Yes, nice and easy, and it's a lighter board compared to your wood plastic composite boards.
All right, what's the difference between this and the TimberTech decking brand over there on your left?
TimberTech is a wood plastic composite board. A little bit about that is what they do is they take wood fibers, encapsulate them in plastic, and then wrap the overall board on all 4 sides, which is kind of unique against the competition with the high polymer on the outside.
Can you show us the new colors involved with that as well?
Yeah, this year we have 3 new colors of TimberTech in the Legacy series, which is our premium series. They have Espresso, Coastline, and Sapili.
All right, what about fastening this together? This is where some great strides have been made.
Yeah, you can still use Conceal Lock, which a lot of people are familiar with from TimberTech over the years, but they've actually come out with a new system called Fusion Lock. The Fusion Lock, it can either be done pneumatically, or they have these hand-driven fasteners, kind of like loading a stapler with 5 clips. And what you do is you push out the staple, screw it in, you'll hear a clip, and that's breaking the clip off the overall chain of clips, and it drives into the joist, these cleats down into the joist for a better fastening than even the clip system that we used in the past. On top of that, we actually now have a really nice feature coming out with Cortex. They are coming out with collated plugs, if you're familiar with it. So you countersink your screws, and then you tap them in with these Cortex plugs that are all lined up in the same direction. It's a torque head. We are going to phase all the colors of Azek into this in the near future. Right now it's slate, brownstone, and mahogany.
So how would you describe the appearance then at the end after using that type of fastener?
Both are considered to be hidden fastening. So you don't really see a face screw on the top if you use the Cortex, because the plugs kind of blend in with the overall deck board that matches the deck board. Or you could also, with the either clip, the Conceal Lock or the Fusion Lock, that's putting the fastener in on the side of the groove.
Paul, really appreciate the time. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Brian.